Hi, I'm Junior with Keystone RV Center. Today we're talking about the new Furrion ovens, specifically the ones like in this Jayco Pinnacle that have a separate lower unit and upper unit. So we've got the stovetop up top here, oven down below. Question was, how do we light the oven? What we're going to do is we're going to press in on this knob. We're going to rotate it over to where we see that little red flame. And Mark, if you look down in here, you're going to hear some clicking in the back, and you're going to see that blue flame come out. Now, the initial time that you do this, anytime after you change LP or the first time that you have your camper out for the season, you may have 20, 30, 40 seconds. I think we were getting close to a minute trying to get all the LP blood out of here. Now, I've left it run on the pilot for a little bit, and I want to do that. I want that pilot to get everything nice and warm down there. And then I'm going to rotate it instantly up to broil, the highest setting on the oven. Make sure I got flame the whole way around the ring. Make sure we don't burn Mark's hands. Though the last time he was near flame, he was throwing a ring back into a volcano. Dock it back to your desired temperature and you're good to go. Now you can set this all the way back to pilot and still be fine. You don't have to shut it off each time and relight it. You can leave it on pilot. I personally do shut it off, but that's personal preference there. Up top here, we can rotate over to the flame setting, press and hold, and again light off. Now again, the thing that I'm going to remind you with these is the initial time you're doing this, or any time after you change LP bottles, you're going to have to hold that lighting sequence for a lot longer. Also, don't forget that you've got a microwave convection oven in this Pinnacle. Check your Pinnacle. You may have the same setup. We're trying to get Eric to let us do some baking inside one of these so we can go through the procedure, but he doesn't want us baking brownies in his brand new campers. Go figure. So we got to wait for a used one to come in, or give us a call, let us know. We'll use yours if it's in here for service. Phone number for us, 1-800-232-3279, I-81, Exit 1, Greencastle, Pennsylvania. If you have any other questions, give us a call, shoot us an email, or comment in the videos below. We'll try to get them answered. Have a great day, guys.